First of all, wish you all very happy International Men's Day. So when we talk about men, it has become an irrefutable corollary that men will be men. Well, what do you mean by that? There are certain labels which we are carrying since ancient times. For example, like angry young man has more physical strength, or go on all those days. It can be any walk of life, for that matter, any profession. You have seen that today women and other genders, they are more powerful than men. They can kick you on your ass when it comes to even physical strength. We have to burn down all those labels, and from the ashes, we need to actually emerge. We need to rise like a phoenix. Because with the winds of change, we need to keep evolving. It could be infotech, it could be biotech, it could be an architect, it could be an artist, it can be a soldier, or it can be a surgeon. The third millennium will belong to all those people who will take everybody along with. So the competition between men and women is futile, and all kinds of possible genders that exist. The world doesn't suffer because of the violence of so-called bad people, but it suffers because of the silence of so-called good people. So we need to fight back wherever you think that things are going wrong. That's actually being a man, a new man. He's still mind and he's still body.